In this video, we write a C program to find a given year is leap year or not using nested if-else statement. This is the program that we have done in the previous case, that is finding a year is leap year or not using if-else statement. This is the program that we have done previously in the using if-else concept. Now we will modify this particular program so that it will come under nested if-else statement. Now see here, this is the condition, first condition. I will modify it. If year mod 400 is equal to 0, then we can say that percentage D is a leap year. Otherwise, I will write the condition here: if year mod 4 is equal to 0, that means year is divisible by 4, and at the same time year mod 100 not is equal to 0. What we have done here, this is the condition that is present at this particular if condition. Now we have removed at that particular place and we have copied it into else part. So if year mod 4 is equal to 0 and year mod 100 not is equal to 0, then we can say that percentage D is a leap year, or we can say percentage D year is a leap year, and we copy this particular statement in else part. Else we can say that percentage D year is not a leap year. So this is how we have converted a C program to find out leap year using if-else statement into nested if-else statement. Now this is the program here. What is the first condition? This is outer if block and this one is outer else block, and this one it will come under inner if block and inner else block, which is present in the else block. Now we run this program. Let us say we give value 2000. Is a leap year. Why? Because 2000 is directly divisible by 400. That's why this condition is satisfied, and we get this particular output. This statement is executed. Year is a leap year. Now we run. Now we give another output. Let us say 2004. 2004 is a leap year. Why? Because here this condition is failed. Why? Because 2004 is not divisible by. That means if condition is failed and the control comes to else block, and in the else block then year mod 400, that means this condition is true. 2004 is divisible by 4, and at the same time 2004 is not divisible by 100. This condition is also true. That means now this particular statement is executed. That means percentage D 2004 is a leap year. Now coming to the next one, we see the else case also. Let us say I am giving 100. Let us say I am giving 100. It is saying that 100 year is not a leap year. Why? Because now observe here, this condition is false. Why? Because 100 is not divisible by 400. Then control comes to else block, and here the condition year mod 400 is equal to 0. That means it is divisible by 4. This condition is true, but at the same time this condition also must be true. Year mod 100 not is equal to 0. That means 100 is divisible by 100, but we should not get a remainder 0 here. Here 100 is not divisible by 100. That is false. That means one of the condition is true and the second condition is false. That means this entire condition will false. That means now this if condition is also false. This if condition is also false, then automatically the control enters into else block, and then we are getting statement the given year 100 is not a leap year. In this fashion, we can write a C program to find out a given year is leap year or not using nested if else statement.